Yo!
Cudgle, I've got something to tell you.
What do you want, Robert? I'm trying to think of my next video idea.
That's not important right now. Also stop thinking, you'll hurt yourself.
What is this, Robert? Are you telling me to not make a YouTube video? That's very weird because you usually force me to make a lot of them and then steal all my ad revenue.
We've got bigger priorities here. You know Candy Corn Plush, our landlord?
Ugh. Yes, unfortunately I know Candy Corn Plush. Why? What's up?
He's having his brother over today.
Oh, what? Just one of them was bad enough.
You shut your pie hole, Cudgle. Candy Corn told me that if things go well with his brother's visit, he might lower our rent. Lower rent means I don't have to rely on you for money as much, meaning I can potentially kick you out and get rid of you.
You know, that does make a lot of sense. I do see the incentive.
So you better get along with his brother, got it?
Ugh, fine. I mean, a few years ago I met Candy Corn's family one time, but I lose so many brain cells a day that I kind of forgot if they're tolerable or not. I just hope to God that his brother's not as bad as him.
I'd ask what you have against him, but I really don't give a shit. That's Candy Corn and his brother. You better not ruin this for me, or it's no clothes for a week.
Oh man, I hate no clothes for a week.
Come in. Shut it, Cudgle. Shut your goddamn face. Hello, Candy Corn Plush. And hello, smaller Candy Corn Plush. It's nice to meet you. Okay. Please, make yourselves at home. And please ignore my blatant attempt at flattery in the effort to have you reduce my rent.
Ew, I don't want them on my desk. Ew, get them off.
Cudgle, what the shit?
It's just, they're right next to my clay, and this is where I edit videos, and you know.
I don't care. Besides, I bought this desk.
Well, yeah, with my ad revenue.
Like I said, I bought this desk. Anyway, how are you, small Candy Corn Plush? I hope the trip here was enjoyable. Alright then. So Candy Corn Plush, what have you been up to lately? Dude, this is so unsettling. They're just sitting there, staring at me.
That's literally Candy Corn Plush's only defining character trait.
I guess so. Even Mr. Ghost can float around and say 2 sentences.
Now you see me.
No, you're not in this episode.
No, you don't.
I stole that gag from Chowder.
Cudgle, what do we do? How do we get on the good side of someone who doesn't say or do anything?
This is on you, man. I was just trying to think of an Amiibo idea.
Your uselessness is not unexpected, yet still leaves me disappointed.
Talk about useless. I'd call this whole Candy Corn visit pretty useless. I know what I'm gonna make today.
If you already had those pictures on your computer screen, then why did it take so long for you to think of what to make?
Not now, Robert. I've got an Amiibo to make. Although I need some desk space to work. What's up, Whippy Dips? Welcome back to the Cudgle channel, where it's 24/7, non-stop. I upload every week or so. I got a commission to make a spiky-eared Pichu amiibo, and I filmed the process and uploaded it to YouTube, and you're watching it right now. Come on, you saw the title and the thumbnail, right? What's that? Cudgle's just gonna take a Pichu amiibo and attach spikes to the ear? Well, how about no, you big silly head? We make things from scratch around here. Nah, but seriously, I got this commission and completed it a while ago, back when the official Pichu amiibo wasn't out yet. I made sure to let the person know that it wasn't, but they said they'd be fine if it was a Pikachu in-game, so Real quick before the video starts, I wanted to let you guys know about my Twitter, where you should go follow me for just some weird shit posts like all day. My Instagram for high quality pictures of customs and work in progress shots that you can't see anywhere else. My website for more videos like this one and comics that I draw. And if you want a commission just like this one, let me know over on my Etsy in the description. Just message me over there, we might be able to work something out. I don't do every request, and it takes me a while to reply to people sometimes, but trust me, I do read your messages. Anyway, I think it's about time for us to start our Spiky-Eared Pichu custom amiibo. In case you used the time code to skip the first half of the video, I wanted to tell you a couple of things. One, why'd you do that? I work hard on those skits. I think you'll have fun if you go watch it. And two, I received this commission a very long time ago. Like, a while ago. A long while ago. And filmed all of this montage footage at that time. So you're basically looking through a window to the past right now. Isn't that cool? Anyway, while this is probably the most egregious example of me stockpiling footage, I tend to do this kind of thing with a lot of my videos. First I film myself making them, then I edit the footage at a later date. This explains why I'm not using a Pichu amiibo as the base for this custom. It wasn't even released yet. I made sure that the person who ordered this commission knew that, but they still wanted it anyway, so I ended up just using an old Pikachu base that I had from a previous project for this amiibo. We gonna start with the little teardrop body, attaching it to the very large oval head. Unfortunately, and I really hate past Cudgle for this, I didn't film as many of the steps for this custom as I would have liked to, so some details like the black scruff on the neck weren't filmed. Man, screw past Cudgle, that guy's a jerk. I'ma try to make the best out of what we've got though. The arms were pretty simple, just being two rolled out pieces of clay with small indents on the end to make the thumbs, with the other end attached to the body. The feetsies were even easier since they were just little ovals of clay attached to the bottom of the body. The ears were each just some flat-ish diamond shapes, with one of the ears having 3 spikes at the tip. It took me a while to figure this out, but that's actually why this Pichu is called Spiky-Eared Pichu. It's because it has some spikes on the ear. What? That's crazy! The ears got attached to the head, then I took some black circles of clay and put them where the eyes should go, as well as a tiny dot for the nose and a thin curved strand for the mouth. I added the pink cheeks and white shines on the eyes, then I scrubbed the entire figure with some nail polish remover on the end of a Q-tip to remove the tiny hairs and specks that the clay attracts. After that, I baked it. Once it was done baking and cooling down, I went ahead and started painting the ends of the ears black. Like I said, we're using a Pikachu as the base, so this will be a Pikachu when it's scanned in Smash Ultimate. The gold part of the base was kinda ruined when I did the previous project I mentioned earlier, so I had to make a new gold part out of clay. Then I just glued Pichu on. The last thing we need to do is glaze the whole figure to protect the paint and make it less fragile. And there we go, a Spiky-Eared Pichu custom amiibo. There's still a good bit left to this video, so be sure to stick around, but thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want to see more videos, and let me know on my Etsy in the description if you want a commission just like this one. Check out my Twitter for May-Mays, Instagram for some cool work in progress pictures and high quality photos of my customs, and my website Cudgle.com for comics, videos, and more. Sorry that today's custom was a bit shorter than usual. Hopefully you had fun with the video regardless, because I sure had fun making it. Hey, so what in the world is gonna happen with Cudgle and Robert? Is the rent going to be lowered like Robert wants, or will Cudgle mess everything up? Let's go find out in today's episode of Cudgle, I guess is what it would be called, I don't know. Whew, that was fun. Alright, what was I doing?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe ruining my chances at a lower rent.
Oh yeah, they're still here. When are they leaving?
They just did.
Oh.
God dang it, Cudgle. You ruined everything.
So I assume our rent didn't get lowered?
You shoved our landlord and his brother onto the ground, then ignored them while you filmed yourself sculpting something. What do you think?
Nah, you know me, Robert. I don't do the whole thinking thing.
I want to die.
Well, on the bright side, I think this skit turned out pretty good.
Tell me, Cudgle, I'm curious now. Why do you hate candy corn plush so much?
Nah, that's for another video.
Whatever, I'm gonna go drink away my night, trying to forget that I'm stuck with you as my YouTube monkey.
Alright, drive safe.
I hope I get into a wreck.
You know, Candy Corn Plush's brother seemed like a pretty nice guy.